Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a private Facebook Live. So as you can see, we're on the home page of the Facebook app, and this will be a similar process on your computers on facebook.com. So what you want to do is click live, as you can see right there, or you can also click on watch your mind, then scroll down, then click live video. Either which way, click on the live button, then you will see here this type of menu. You'll want to go click on the top left hand corner where it says to, and then currently will be public, post, and then like a little drop down there. Click on that. Then you'll want to click on what you want. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and click on only me. That will just mean only you can see it. You can also pick specific friends off your friends list. You might like add them in here. So they will be able to view the live stream. But once you've done with that, picked whatever friends you want or only me, then you can go ahead and start a live stream by going back in there. Then click start live video. And then it will go ahead and load into the live stream, and your live stream will start, and you can go ahead from there. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how to do videos on the Facebook app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.